Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. And in this video, I'm going to show you how can you download tax document into your Coinbase. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your web browsers, and after opening the web browser, just simply open your Coinbase site into there, and now log in your account into your Coinbase. And after logging your account into Coinbase, click into your profile icon into the top right. Click into that and then you will get this option of taxes into here. Click into that and it will lead you into the new tab. To here, just simply select the documents option, and after selecting the documents, click to this visit statement option into transaction history and statements option. You will get this tab into here. You can select assets, transaction type, date and also the format. And after selecting the suitable format, click to this generate option and it will take a short processing. Then you just simply have to select the folder that you want to save this file to and click to this save button. After following these very easy steps, you can easily download your tax documents in Coinbase. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.